For The Street, I'm Brittany Umar in New York. Here's a quick look at the Street Quant Ratings for Wednesday, June 5th. First, a trio of upgrades. Truckload carrier Knight Transportation has been upgraded to buy from hold. The company's revenue growth outpaces the industry average. It has a very low debt-to-equity ratio, and its net income growth of 44% from the same quarter a year ago has significantly exceeded that of the S&P and its industry. While the company does have low profit margins, its strengths outweigh its weaknesses. Investment brokerage Morgan Stanley has been lifted to buy from hold as well. Positive catalysts include revenues that have increased by nearly 10%, net income growth that surged by over 1,100% from the same quarter a year ago, and a stock that surged by 101% over the past year. While that makes it expensive relative to its peers, the Street Quant Ratings feels its price level is justified. On a cautious note, the company does have a low gross profit margin of 33%, but it has managed to increase from the same period last year. Also getting an upgrade, Ritchie Brothers Auctioneers. The industrial equipment auctioneer has been upgraded to buy from hold. While the company has had subpar net income growth, it has many strengths like increasing revenue growth, net operating cash flow that's climbed 141% from the same quarter last year, and a low debt-to-equity ratio. The company also has a very high gross profit margin of about 91%. Also, 3 downgrades. Imperva has been downgraded to sell from hold. The business security solutions provider has weaknesses that can be seen in multiple areas, like net income that's fallen by 85% from the same quarter a year ago, and a steep decline in earnings per share in the most recent quarter compared to the same period last year. The company does have a very high gross profit margin of 80%, although it's managed to decrease from that same period last year. Also getting a downgrade, RealPage. The company, which provides software solutions for the rental housing industry, has been lowered to sell from hold. RealPage's weaknesses include net income that's fallen about 41% and earnings per share that have declined by 50% from the same quarter a year ago. On a positive note, the company has no debt and a high gross profit margin of 64%, although its net profit margin trails the industry average. Lastly, Tahan Ranch has been downgraded to hold from buy. The real estate developer and agribusiness has several strengths, like net income growth of about 123% from the same quarter a year ago that outpaces the S&P and its industry, improvement in earnings per share, and reasonable debt levels. However, the company has seen a decrease in return on equity, and its stock has lagged the S&P, and the Street Quant Ratings finds that it has limited upside potential. Check back with us tomorrow for more changes from the Street Quant Ratings. I'm Brittany Umar.